Okay, so those of you in YouTube partner program, you notice that you are unable to view your earning, and this is what comes up whenever you are checking your dollar sign. It shows your YouTube partner. So what you do is you go to notification, and you see on the notification you see a message sent to you, unable to view earning in studio. So what you do is you click it, you click the information sent to you on your notification. You see it, unable to view earnings in studio. So after checking it, these are the message read: unable to view any in studio. Creator will receive a report. Okay, that some of you can't see your earning for previous and current month in YouTube Studio. Rest assured, this is only an issue with the display in studio that doesn't impact monetization. Our team are aware and look into it. We update the trend with new information. Thank you so much with your patience. Alright, so what you do is you see many people have sent their complaint as well. So you click on the vote. That is, I have the same question as well. If you type anything, it will go. So at the time I typed my own, so at the time I sent my own reply, like a questionnaire, we have 6,380. So my own made it 6,380 79 complain. Alright, so you add your vote as well, so that it will be counted. So a lot of people have the same challenge, so don't worry, you are not affected. It's a system error and it will be fixed. Thank you so much. Alright, so thank you.